24 hours, but I'm out of my house. Just lightning, but as I was saying, a half an hour ago, lightning and thunder happened, and I freaking hate thunder and lightning, so I was freaking out. And then someone had the nerve to say, get over it, or grow up, whatever they said. And it really got to me because I've had that fear of thunder since I was like, at least 3, because I remember it. So, since I was little, I had people being like, oh, get over it, it's just thunder, it's not gonna get you, blah, blah, blah. I know it's not gonna get me, but like, I still hate it, and I live alone now, so it's like, it's scary on your own. Like, at least when I was little, I had my mom, my dad, my sisters, and some people around me, but whatever. Anyways, I'm on my way downtown. Let's hope this thunder and lightning stays away. I will see you later. Hey y'all, I'm Jimmy. This is Guillermo. Hola. He's apparently now on mute. And the coughing attack person, whatever. Hola.
Oh,
Hola. ¿Cómo
this is
estás?
Guillermo.
¿Cómo estás?
Have a good night, everyone. I'm sorry we still don't have enough time for Matt Damon. Bye-bye.
Okay, so we are going to a cemetery. My first time ever at a cemetery.
I've been at a cemetery
You can't see this bitch,
like,
but she's
right
here.
at midnight on Halloween.
She's stupid.
No,
Right on Halloween?
You need to take that trolley, that Halloween trolley tour, man.
No
They
thanks.
take you on like Halloween Eve, and then you do a countdown, and then like people in quotation walk through the cemetery. And they're
I'm
like,
okay.
oh, we don't know. It's so cool.
Anyways, we're gonna go now. So bye bye. Not see anything. I don't approve of this. Filming is happening down there, I think.
It looks like nothing is happening.
But I'm going to die.
It's the shit. I don't know what to do on.
We're on set. Somewhere. They're rolling, but that just happened. Fuck. This one's trying to silently cough. It's not working. But anyways, that's the update. I will see you when my phone is not dying. Bye. Bye guys. Whoa, sorry. I'm back home. I'm so tired right now, but I am so hungry. Like, I started feeling so sick on the way home. Blech. It's like 1 a.m. I gotta be up at like 11 to go to Canuck Place. I'm so excited. It's one of the areas or the places that I volunteer for the Canucks for Kids Fund. So like the money I raise there at the Canucks games goes towards Canuck Place. So it'll be fun to know exactly where the money's going. So yeah. I will try to take you along there, but I don't know how they'll feel about cameras, but we shall see. So until then, or until the next time I decide to pick this up, peace.